Please pause and give time to find kids to find a relationship. Welcome back. Did you find times 4 times 4 times 4 or times 4? N times 4, or another way to say it is 4 groups of the number or 4n. And last but not least, let's try one on your own, another one on your own. Input, relationship, output. So you have 13, 17, 20, n. The 13, please pause to give time to copy this, kids to copy this one. All right, welcome back. This becomes 13 becomes a 39, 17 becomes I think 51, 20 becomes a 60, and n becomes what? Please pause to give time to kids to find a relationship. Welcome back. Do you say times 3, times 3, times 3, times 3, n times 3, or 3n? So our last example is this one. Wait, so I wonder what the last operation is going to be. Kind of obvious which one we're going to do in this one. So, please, again, give kids time to draw their chart, 3 lines. So if you have 20, 40, 45, and n. What happens if you have a 20 and you put it down into the function machine? It will become a 4. The 40 will become an 8. The 45 will become a 9. So what is the relation? It's getting smaller. It's subtraction. Minus 16. No, does not work there. Well, if it's not subtraction, it must be division. Oh, so you divide by 5. You divide by 5. You divide by 5. So the relationship is divide by 5. So, I'm sorry. Yeah. Just put divide by 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. So the relationship is divide by 5. Another way to show it is over 5. Like a 5 is under it. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. So it's number divide by 5. This means division. Remember improper fraction. Remember typo. It also means division. So next one. So lift it up. Input, relationship, output. So let's have 15. Let's have 24, 36, n. So give kids the time to copy this if they need to. What happens if you have 15, the 15th becomes a 5, the 24 becomes an 8. You put it inside a 36 into the function machine, it becomes a 12. What is the rule? Please pause and give kids time to think about it. Welcome back. Did you say divide by 3? Divide by 3? Divide by 3? So it's 15 over 3, 24 over 3, 36 over 3, number over 3. So it's number over 3 or n divided by 3. Either one is correct. And our last example for today is this one. Again, please give kids time to copy this down. Sorry for my ugly handwriting, but I do have ugly handwriting. I'll admit that. Welcome back. So what happens if you have input of, I don't know, let's do 42, 48, 66, and any number. And the 42 becomes a 7, 48 becomes an 8, the 66 becomes an 11. What is the relationship? What's the rule? Please pause. Welcome back. Did you get divide by 6, divide by 6, divide by 6, divide by 6? It is divide by 6. So it's 42 over 6, 48 over 6, 66 over 6, n over 6. So it's n over 6 or divide 6. So in our function table, the main thing we learn is you can either add, subtract, multiply, divide. The main thing kids forget is to show multiplication, the number comes before the letter. 4 groups of the number, 3 groups of the number, and 5.